Hello, 11th class. This is your statistics for economics, chapter 1. And the chapter is significance of statistics in economics. Concept of economics and all that we'll study in the microeconomics. So, here we are straight away starting with what is statistics. First of all, we'll understand, and what is the significance of statistics in economics. You are a student of economics now. This statistics is there in your syllabus for 11th class. Why do you need to study this? Means, what is the significance, what is the importance of this? So let us begin with the chapter statistics, which is in your syllabus. That is, you can say, divided in two parts. One is the theoretical, and then we'll deal with the numerical parts also. So very interesting, very scoring, and very easy. But the condition is that you need to understand it side by side. Now let us start with understanding what exactly statistics is. देखो, as a layman, if we talk to you, simply say I have 5 pencils, she has 4 pencils, means you collect the data. I have this much of the pocket money, ठीक है? But simply quantitative informations, they are not simply the statistics. I'll explain you side by side. जब हम क्वांटिटेटिव इंफॉर्मेशंस, मतलब जब हम अपने फाइंडिंग्स और फैक्ट्स का क्वांटिफिकेशन करते हैं, मीन्स वी मेजर देम इन क्वांटिटी. फॉर दैट वी कलेक्ट सम डाटा, देन वी कंपेयर दैट डाटा, ठीक है? दैट इज स्टैटिस्टिक्स. बट सिंपली डाटा कलेक्शन एंड क्वांटिटेटिव इंफॉर्मेशन, वी कांट से दैट दिस इज statistics. There must be some system, there must be some techniques, ठीक है, for the collection of the data also, and even for the rest of the processes to go on. We'll study about all these methods and all that. So what is statistics, that we need to understand, and for that we have to understand in two different sense. Means statistics when we use it as a plural noun, and statistics when we use it in the singular form. देखो, when we simply say that Ram has 200 rupees in his pocket, this is also a data, but this is not statistics. No comparison is there. We are simply giving a statement that Ram has 200 rupees in the pocket. But when we say that suppose birth rate in India is this much percent as compared to USA or any other country, so that means we are comparing the data. When we compare the data, then it becomes statistics, then it becomes the part and study of statistics. When we simply say that a young lady was run over by a speeding truck at this much kilometer per hour की स्पीड से वो जा रहा था, तो ये इसमें भी फिगर्स हैं, क्वांटिफिकेशन है, बट दिस इज नॉट स्टैटिस्टिक्स. When we say that over the past 10 years India has won these many matches and has lost these many matches, तो ये एक तरह से कितने विन किए कितने लूज किए उसका कंपैरिजन हो गया, ये स्टैटिस्टिक्स बन गया. सो सिंपली सेइंग दैट एनी डाटा दैट इज स्टैटिस्टिक्स, नो. So in brief, in single line, you can say that all statistics are data, but all data are not statistics. See how beautiful this definition is. In few words only, the person has explained you the meaning of the statistics. Now you need to revise and learn one or two definitions also given by various statisticians. Like if we see the definition given by Bowley, statistics are numerical statements. This point is to be noted. Statistics are numerical statements, statements of fact. Then in any department of inquiry, कोई भी चीज़ जो आप इंक्वायर करना चाहते हो और उसमें फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स को न्यूमेरिकली आप स्टेट करते हो, और then you place them in relation to each other. This is most important for you to understand, that when you place in relation to each other, then it becomes statistics. When you compare, so numerical statement number 1, statement of fact number 2, in relation to each other number 3. So these are the 3 major segments of this definition which you need to learn and you need to write over there. You cannot leave any. This is the complete meaning of statistics. Have you understood? And when we say that statistics is a singular noun, then we mean that it is a kind of science. Statistics is a kind of science where we have methodology. We have statistical methods. And these methods, these techniques are related to collection of data. How do we collect the data? For that also we have a technique, method. How do we classify the data? How do we present the data? How do we analyze the data? And then finally, how do we interpret the data? When you compare, that means you need to make any decision. You need to give any interpretation. That after the comparison, what have you got? This is stats. This is statistics in its singular noun. Okay, so in the next video we will study about all the tools, statistical tools, stages. Clear? So wait for the next video. Thank you.